This is 50 centavos, 1964. 50 centavos, 1964. 2 coins. Very expensive and rare coins in the history of the Philippines. 1964, 50 centavos, 2 coins. For sale. The back portion of this is Central Bank of the Philippines. Back. The rear is Central Bank of the Philippines. Central Bank of the Philippines. And the front is 50 centavos, 1964. Very expensive. Very expensive. That reached to millions of pesos as a buying price. 50 centavos, 1964. 2 coins. This is the Philippines old coins. 1964. 50 centavos, 1964. These coins are for sale. If you want to buy this, just dial 5+63 997-692-2374. Call Antonio Bacor. Comment your price on the comment section. 50 centavos, 1964. The rear is Central Bank of the Philippines. Central Bank of the Philippines. This is the money of the Philippines. A rare old coins in the history of the Philippine old coin. 1964. 50 centavos. 1964. 50 centavos, 1964. 2 coins for sale. Comment your price. Please subscribe, follow, like, and add to favorites this 50 centavos, 1964, so that you can have this. Just call +63 997-692-2374, because this is for sale. Hurry, comment your price. The highest bid price is the buyer of this price. So now, this is your chance. Very expensive 50 centavos, 1964. I have 2 coins. If you buy this for 1 million, then I have 2 millions for this coin. Hurry, comment your price and buy this coin. This is your chance to have this kind of coins. 50 centavos, 1964.